What up, fam? Welcome back to the vlog. Before we jump into this video, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, leave us some comments down below, and give the video a big thumbs up. This is Adonis's room slash the baby room slash now slash now it's going to be the playroom. Adonis usually just sleeps in there at nighttime, and in the daytime he is out with his brothers playing and stuff. And we also have another bed that's gonna go in here that Andal will sleep in, so it'll be Adonis and Andal's room. So this is all of our stuff from the baby shower and stuff that we purchased, you know, over time. So I'm pretty much about to arrange it and get this room clean, and you guys will see what it looks like at the end. I hope you enjoy. No.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
That's what I need a lot. Which way? Which way?
Go ahead.
Oh my back. Come on now, I ain't no young whippersnapper.
Good stuff.
Push. Gonna be stuck down here. I'm falling and I can't get up.
Push it, sir.
919 life alert. 919 life alert. That boy somewhere.
Huh.
That boy over here.
We have a clean floor. Now, of course, we will add other things over time, and if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them down below. But for now, this is pretty much what we have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed.